Welcome dear students. This is fifth part of important MCQs of basic chemistry. These MCQs are based on third chapter, paint, varnish, polymer, lubricant and adhesive. First question is identify the constituent which is used to fill voids or pores in the paint. Options are anti-skinning agent, plasticizers, extenders or dryers. Answer is extenders or fillers. These are used to fill the voids or pores in the paint. The volatile organic constituent of paint is thinner. It is the volatile organic constituent. Then plastic, it is a polymer formed by decantation, evaporation, polymerization or vulcanization. It is formed by vulcanization, while rubber is formed by vulcanization. Select the polymer from the following options which do not soften on heating: polythene, PVC, polystyrene and bakelite. And the answer is bakelite because it is the thermosetting plastic which do not soften on heating. And first three examples are of thermosoftening plastic. The organic thermal insulator is, out of these four, silk is the organic thermal insulator which is used below 50 degrees Celsius. Name the adhesive which is used in aircraft industry. In aircraft industry, out of these four, silicone is used as adhesive. Then viscosity of oil is measured by using which of the following: Abel's closed cup apparatus, Cleveland's open cup apparatus, Redwood viscometer, or all of the above. It is used measured by using Redwood viscometer. Now question number 8 is covalent solid used as solid lubricant is graphite. It is a covalent solid and it is also used as a lubricant because in graphite covalent bond is present. The temperature at which lubricant catches fire, it is known as fire point, while when lubricant give momentary flash of light, then it is known as a flash point. The type of lubricant used for scissor, it is liquid. A chemical added in small amount to a paint to reduce a paint defect, it is called as additive. A solution of resin in alcohol, it is the example of spirit varnish because spirit is a low quality of alcohol. Therefore, the resin in which alcohol is present, it is known as spirit varnish. In spirit varnish, small amount of plasticizer is added to avoid what? It is for avoiding brittleness of film, tendency to peel off and tendency to crack the film. For all these three purposes, plasticizer is added to spirit varnish. It is not a homopolymer. Polythene, bakelite, polystyrene, PVC. This is the copolymer. Bakelite is copolymer. These three are polythene, polystyrene and PVC. These are the homopolymer. Then question number 15 is name the adhesive. Name the adhesive which is used for belts and conveyors. Shellac resin, it is the adhesive which is used for belts and conveyor. Choose from the following option which is not constituent of paint. This anti-skinning agent, pigment, thinner, these are the constituents of paint, while alcohol, it is not a constituent of paint because it is constituent of varnish. The type of lubricant used for scissor is liquid lubricant is used in scissor. The chemical reaction in the primary cell is irreversible, but in secondary cell it is reversible reaction. Then question number 19 is the function of pigment is to provide opacity to the paint film. The example of plasticizer used in paint is triphenyl phosphate. It is the plasticizer which is used in paint. Glass wool and thermocol is used as an insulator in which of the following? It is used as insulator in refrigerator. Then degree of tackiness, rapidity of bonding, durability. These are the properties of what? These are the properties of adhesives. Tackiness, that means two surfaces stick to each other. Bonding and durability, these are the properties of adhesives. Then epoxy resins are formed from which of the following? Two monomers are given, and this second option is correct, that is bisphenol A and epichlorohydrin. These are used to form epoxy resin. These two monomers are used to form epoxy resin. Then question number 24 is formaldehyde is used as monomer in the preparation of what? In the preparation of bakelite, phenol and formaldehyde. Both are used as monomers. Select the thermosetting adhesives from the following. Bakelite, it is the thermosetting adhesive because it does not change with heat, therefore it is known as thermosetting adhesive. The temperature at which oil ceases to flow on a machinery, it is called as pour point. Ceases or freezes, it is known as pour point of that oil. A good lubricant should possess which of the following? Low flash point, sufficient oiliness, high acidity, or all? It should possess sufficient oiliness. A good lubricant should possess sufficient oiliness. Then question number 28 is, in spirit varnish, small amount of plasticizers are added to avoid what? In spirit varnish, small amount of plasticizer is added to avoid brittleness of film, tendency to crack the film, tendency to peel off. All. It is a homopolymer. It is not a homopolymer. Bakelite, it is not a homopolymer. Oily resinous varnish, they are dry by solvent evaporation followed by oxidation. It is the process. Select the lubricant which is used for watches, clocks or scientific instrument or delicate instrument. Hazelnut oil, it is the lubricant which is used for this delicate instrument. Then resin, it is also known as what? Resin, it is known as polymer. Opacity and desired color to the paint film, these are provided by which? Extender, pigment, dryer or thinner. It is provided by pigments. It gives desired color to the paint film. Then a good thermal insulating material should possess which of the following? High thermal conductivity, capacity of moisture absorption, low thermal conductivity or high degree of moisture absorption. It should possess low thermal conductivity. A good thermal insulator should possess low thermal conductivity. In a paint, the role of thinner is to increase the viscosity. The role of thinner is to increase the viscosity. Kerosene, toluene, these are used to increase the viscosity of paint. In paint, toluene, it is used as what? It is used as a thinner. Thinners are added to paint for what purpose? They are added to paint to reduce the consistency, that means to increase the viscosity of paint. These are some questions of third chapter, students. Now in next part, we are going to discuss again more important questions from third chapter and also from second chapter. Thank you.